Welcome to Nut Hut in the heart of East Vancouver. In this video, we would like to help you understand the importance of refrigeration. Nuts are a perishable agricultural product. They won't spoil as quickly as some more delicate foods, but will degrade over time at room temperature. At Nut Hut, we take this seriously, and we practice end-to-end refrigeration for freshness. As soon as we receive nuts from our suppliers, they're transported to a cold storage facility just south of the beautiful Fraser River. At any time, we will hold 8 to 12 pallets there, full of nuts and seeds sourced from around the world, all from the most current harvest. Refrigeration costs us more, but our farmers are committed to customers who partner with them to honor this process for freshness, flavor, and health. Twice a month, we'll move a pallet of nuts and seeds from our holding fridges to our Vancouver store, where they're kept in a walk-in cooler until it's time to bag them up for shipping.
Yum! Fresh nuts!
Once bagged, it's back into our commercial fridges, where they'll stay until it's time to pack your order. That's how we do refrigeration at Nut Hut, and why you should cold store your nuts too.